Yes, so today I'll be going through this fail that I've just got from Syed Vintage. I'm too gassed to see what is going to be inside it. I ordered 30 shell jackets, so hopefully I get some really sick stuff. I did in the last video. I ordered this on Christmas Eve, so I've been waiting time for this to arrive, so let's get to unboxing it. Oh dear me. First thing, nice little Syed Vintage card. Thank you for ordering. Didn't get this one in my last one. The first item is feeler shell jacket, size large. This is like a vintage feeler jacket. This is really nice. For the second piece, I'm seeing some Nike in there. The second piece, this Nike Lakers quarter zip. It's a short sleeve. What? That's strange. This blue jacket, what is this? A Reebok shell jacket. Oh, look at the back. That's sick. Sick design all on the back. That'll go for a nice bit. Another Nike piece from Diesel. Another nice piece though. Just basic Adidas though. This one looks like a bit of a vintage one. This used to belong to Grove as well, so nice one for that Grove. Nike, another Nike, an old Nike as well. Nice vintage tag on that. This will be a nice bit. This looks more of like a running athletic kind of jacket. Adidas jacket with another vintage Adidas tag. Nice piece as well. This white one, this looks interesting. This has got like a collared material, like a fabric. Not too sure what Adidas tag that is. I think it's definitely a vintage one though. It's got both a zip and it's got Velcro. That is a very strange jacket. Considering it's white and it's not going to have any marks on it, that's going to sell for a nice bit. I paid £180 for this bale, so hopefully I'll be able to get my money's worth. By the looks of it so far, I reckon I will. All of these items as well should all be A grade. That didn't look good. I see a little bit of metallic silver like falling out. Hopefully the zips hasn't snapped off one of them. But another Nike piece. Vintage bread tag as well. This is like a rain jacket, a Nike rain jacket. This isn't A grade. That hole in the hood of this one, I don't know if this is going to be any good to sell. Not a vintage piece either. This is looking like the worst thing we've got so far. Oh, this is looking good. A colourful Nike jacket. Missing the drawstrings though, but it is an old Nike jacket, like a vintage one. This is more of like a women's piece, but this is another easy £20. But if you're enjoying this video so far, please like the video and subscribe to my channel so we can hit 1k by the end of the year, and all your likes will massively help that. The next piece is this Adidas like thin windbreaker jacket. That's a bit but is what it is. This is like a nice material though, and it's a Nike, another Nike piece. Older tag, not a vintage one though. Nice little thing down the arm. All these Nike jackets are going to be £30 to £40 each. Rain jacket, another Nike rain jacket. These are all Nike. This is sick. Size extra large though. Doesn't look too much of an extra large. A bit basic, but another easy 30. I'm seeing a lot of black for the rest of the bale, but a Champion. This is like more of like a fleecy kind of coat quarter zip thing. This will be an easy £20. Nice design, basic, but it will sell. Nike Magical Jaguars or something like that, but it's a Nike one, so it's alright. Probably only 10-15 for that though. Another Nike jacket like the one with a fat hole in the hood. Harrington Track and Field. This might be like an American one. Another Nike piece, quite nice. And this Nike, is it Nike? No, this is I don't know the brand name, but it's that Star one. I can't think of the name. The tag's been cut out, which isn't too good, but nice piece though. So far I think we've got some sick pieces. A lot of old Nike, which sells really well. Each one of them will go for at least £20. They all do go for about £20. That's like £600 profit, which isn't bad at all. Reebok, I really like vintage Reebok. I think vintage Reebok's so sick. Weird like button up, like it's got like a pouch on the front, nice embroidered thing on there. Old vintage Reebok tags as well, with the little printed Reebok logo on the back as well. That's a really nice piece. Adidas jacket. This looks like just a basic plain Adidas jacket. Vintage though. Oh no, it's not vintage. This is just a bit of an air one, but this will definitely still sell. There's been a lot of black items in here. I thought it'd be a bit more colourful, but another one of them jackets that had the hole in the hood. Luckily this time this one don't have a hole in the hood, but these are a bit these are whatever. They will still sell though. Next for another track jacket. Oh, Vincent United FC. Never heard of them, but got a Nike track jacket with a little print on the back. That'll be another 10, 15 maybe. On to the next piece. This looks interesting. Green Adidas, is that? Weird kind of neck, and it's MT Raynham Hawks Athletics. Quite sick though. Old vintage Adidas tag. Size medium as well, so that ups the sell value. This one looks sick. I don't know what it is. I think it says Nike. This is like a vintage Nike one with like the hologram on the sleeve. A little hole in there though, which isn't good, but nice little Nike print on it. This is quite another nice piece. Don't know what this is. This looks like an Adidas jacket with that on the hood, or is it? Oh no, it's a Nike jacket. Bit more of like a windbreakery jacket again, but they're not too bad. These aren't as good as like the more of the proper track jackets, but they'll still definitely sell. I'm seeing pink. I don't know what I'm seeing. A lot of pink. What is this? It's a Nike jacket. Another like more of like a womensy one. Old vintage tag again though. Quite a nice piece. I'm seeing things with numbers printed on them. Stuff like this isn't too good with the numbers on the back. Who knows who WFFC are, but 23 used to wear this. So UK size 13 to 14 kids is what it is. This isn't too good considering it has got like the numbers and that on it. These aren't really too desirable, but they'll definitely still sell. This looks like a really nice piece. Adidas track jacket. Nice, a feeler one. This has got a nice little embroidered print on there. Nice little feeler zip. Old feeler tag as well. This is a really nice piece. This will sell for a nice bit. Nike Mickey Mouse, does that say? No, Michigan. Nike Michigan, like navy blue. This yellow print on it. This is quite nice. Old tag. Someone's written B on it in the middle for some reason. It is quite a nice quality print, and it is quite a nice looking print, so I think this will sell for a nice bit. On to our last two track jackets now though, and it's another Nike track jacket with a nice little embroidered Nike print on the back. Weird looking Nike tag. Haven't seen one of them before, but quite a nice piece. It's alright. I think this is the last item. Actually, tell a lie, there's one more extra large Nike jacket. Quite a nice piece, really. Embroidered logo there. It's alright. It's a Nike piece, so it'll sell for 30 to 40 pounds. And this is actually the last one. I think it is another Nike jacket. It is looking like quite a nice one as well. Actually a vintage Adidas jacket. This is really sick. I think this will sell for a lot more than some of the other ones will, just because of the design. Really sick design. But unfortunately that is the end of the box, and there are no more jackets left. But as I said, if you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to help me hit 1k by the end of the year. It'd be massively appreciated. In my next video though, I'll be going through all these jackets and going through the best one to the worst ones and giving you the prices for all of them. I think we come away with some really nice pieces. I definitely think this was worth £180. I think without a doubt I'll 100% be able to get my money back on all of these items. But as I said, I'll be going through in the next video which ones are the worst ones to the best, and going through the price for each one of the jackets and showing you them in more detail. But I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. Next week I've got another one of these bales coming. It's got 50 vintage t-shirts in it, so I think I'll get some sick pieces in that as well. All of these jackets will be available on my Depop, which is up on the screen now, and the link to it is in the description. And to keep up to date on what I'm posting on this channel, my Instagram's in the description, and I'll throw it up on the screen now. I'm posting all the time on what I'm up to and what videos are coming up next. I think you should go follow it. I think you'll like it. But I do hope you enjoyed this unboxing. As I said, there's going to be another one of these bales coming next week, so that video will be out. There'll be Depop tip videos, some charity shop videos once lockdown's over, and just loads more Depop content in general every Tuesday, Wednesday and Saturday now. So I somehow forgot to film an outro for this video, but I really do hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe and comment down below any videos you'd like to see in the future.